Chinese New Year is here again. Take a walk through a shopping center or drop by someone's place and you'll see different flowers and plants around. In this video, I'll show you the Cantonese names for 5 common Chinese New Year plants. That's a kumquat tree, which is like a small orange. In Cantonese, we usually call it as kumquat or just gat. Kumquat. Kumquat. People often link them with wealth and good fortune because of their color and the way they're pronounced, as gat means fortune. Next, we have peach blossom. In Cantonese, is tou fa. Tou fa. Tou fa. Now, we have orchid. In Cantonese, is lan fa. Lan fa. Lan fa. Narcissus is a plant you might find in a shallow pot with white and yellow flowers. In Cantonese, we call it sui xin. Sui xin. Sui xin. Our last plant is lucky bamboo. In Cantonese, is fu guai zhuk. Fu guai means wealthy. Fu guai zhuk. Fu guai zhuk. Now that you know a few common plants names, here's a simple sentence you can use when you spot a plant you like. Ni pu means this pot. Hou lan means very beautiful. Is a sentence final particle. Have a look at this video if you want to learn more. If you like the kumquat, you can say Ni pun kumquat hou lan Ni pun kumquat hou lan If you want to revise some of the New Year greetings, check out this video.